Hi, good morning. We've got some background noise. Just bear with me. We've got some mowing over to the side happening at the same time. So this morning, Susanna and I are working next door in the big garden again. And here is what we're working on, the tomato cages, taking these down. You'll notice it has some leaves in it. I'll tell you about that in a few minutes. Susanna had an experiment that she did with the leaves inside the tomato cages. So we're gonna be taking those down, moving those over to a trailer over here, and prepping this area for tilling. The area over here doesn't need to be tilled. We're leaving it the way it is, just weeding it little by little. We still have some parts to go. These are the tomato cages, and like I said, Susanna filled them with leaves to see if with oxygen getting to them, if they would break down more quickly than that pile over there. And what she found is that they actually dried out, so they didn't break down the way that they should. This kind of kept moist, and so it broke down the way it needed to. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be removing the cages, taking the leaf piles and just allowing it to spread here because of tilling. We'll do that later after this is all removed. Probably not later today, but another day. All of the pathways are going to be removed and pulled up so that it'll be ready for tilling. What a pretty morning. Whoops. Yep, we're with the barn roll.
So here we're taking off tags from the tomato cages. Susanna always does a lovely job with the tags, and each year she laminates them. This year she took the plastic tags that came from the tomato plants. When she purchased them from the farmers, she took those tags in the plants and she actually laminated those. We took the cages up and we put them on the trailer. Then we used a post puller to remove the posts the cages were attached to. And this was the sweetest moment of the day. Removing landscape fabric with littles helping, encouraging, and playing.